And I'm also I'm trying to start a video. Okay, it's broadcasting me. Okay, I have to join you. But then it's probably a minute. So in a minute, I'm probably going to have to leave. Wait, yep, this is all good. I'm in your server. It's all good. Yeah, I'm in your server.
Yeah, I'm just making this thing go. Okay, this thing has a load of good stuff.
Where are you?
I have a load of stuff. Oh, it's royal cherry.
Wait, what type of sprout was it?
There's a magic.
What the magic sprout? Wait, what the hell is a magic sprout?
I just got it inside my inventory and I decided to use it just now.
A magic sprout? What type was it, Yaya?
Normal magic sprout.
Oh, a normal sprout?
Yeah.
You could have just said that. You didn't have to confuse me. I want to find you. Are you in the dandelion field now? Where did you go?
I'm right here.
Wait, where?
You.
Behind me?
Right
Oh,
here.
yay. Hi, Yaya.
Hi.
Okay, so now you're featured in my video that I am now going to post on Google Classroom. Wow. This is the process of me making videos every day to post on Google Classroom.
I think in the last video, I was in your video, but I wasn't face revealed.
Yeah, no, you're not face revealed right now. I'm using the microphone.
So Brandon?
Yeah?
When we have a play date?
Yeah?
Wanna maybe have a video, just me and you?
Yeah, sure, but this video right now is so cringy. I bet everyone watching this on Google Classroom is so cringing right now. Oh
Yeah,
my
it's
God.
just a minute, no, a second long.
What? This video is more than a second. Probably gonna be 8 minutes or something like that.
So it's the end.
Oh, pine tree, yes. I got pine tree forest boost.
I
Oh wait, why did I stop?
got blue flower field boost.
Dang it, that sucks, yeah. You have to stay on the blue flower field. Wow, right as I got the pine tree field boost, a sprout appears in it. I got a sprout in the pine tree field. Right as I got the booster for it. That's actually pretty mad.
How long is it? It's an hour.
What, an hour? Heads no.
No, it's not an hour.
Oh my God, I got my bag full already. I have to go back to the stupid instant converter. Dang it.
I'm mining. I have to plus I have the red pollen challenge.
Wait, what red pollen challenge? What the heck is that?
So what's his name?
Brown bear? Black bear?
Black bear.
A black bear?
Yeah, black bear.
Did you already get his diamond egg?
No, I didn't.
Oh, did you get his gold egg?
No.
That's sad. You haven't even got his gold egg.
I haven't the silver egg and the...
Those are the first 2 eggs. That's easy. Oh, wait. Doesn't drop the basic egg.
Science bear challenges right now.
Science bear quests, not challenges.
I also have
Goo is always useful.
three
Kid.
mantises and
Google Classroom people, if you want to get so much honey on bee swarm, use gumdrops. They're so useful.
gumdrops are so good.
Yeah, I never saw you use gumdrops. Yeah.
I have spammed gumdrops before,
I never saw you use gumdrops in my life.
but I have used them.
Oh, okay. Good for you, I
Spammed them
guess.
this one time. I got 100.
If you're bad at bee swarm Google Classroom, guys, just use gumdrops. It solves everything. I got my gifted lion bee up to level 8.
I only have one bee who's not even close to level 7. It's my raised bee.
So if you get so much honey, just spend it all on treats and get your rage bee to level 7. Because if you have 100 million honey, you could just spend it all on treats, and then you could get I don't even know, like halfway to like a level 9. Like, far away from level 9. You need like 350 million honey treats to get like a level 9.
I got a gifted Riley.
I hope people can hear us. That would be sad if my mic wasn't working like last time. Well, my mic was working, but it was just so quiet. Pine tree.
I'm just gonna spam like red over here, like red field, so like I can get my challenge done for.
Oh my god, beanbugs just spawned in my field. Oh my god, I'm getting lucky today. First I get the booster for the pine tree, the best blue field, and then next thing you know, I have a sprout in it, and then I get beanbugs.
Yeah, boy.
I forget about using gumdrops when I'm trying to collect. Oh, I'm on the last quest for beanbugs. By the way, I'm on beanbug blackout.
I have to collect 8,000 red pollen.
I don't care. I'm not converting yet. I'm still gonna do this first because this is so fun.
Luckily for me, I have like 2 of these converters.
2 of the instant converters in your inventory?
Yeah, I have like 2.
Oh, god damn. You're lucky then. I wish you could transport stuff. You could transport one to me, then I could collect pollen and get beanbugs.
Yeah.
And not have to go all the way to my hive.
And then you would have to trade me something back, though.
Okay, sure. What about 5 stingers?
Yeah, 5 stingers would be nice. Because I am
Or a tropical drink. What about a tropical drink?
I only have like, go figure, I only have 11.
Oh, what about 5 royal jellies?
5 royal jellies, so sick. Yeah, no,
I have 66 royal jellies.
Someone just gave me a gift, by the way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Someone has the festive bee. Someone has the festive bee. They pick up a present token. It gives everyone a gift. Sucks that I can't get the leave. Maybe there's an aphid waiting inside. Beanbugs are just so good. They're so cool. Especially when your hive isn't full. You just like, all of them disappeared. Beanbugs don't like me.
Brandon?
Yeah?
Is it okay if I play with you tomorrow? Because I have my cousin over and I have to, entertain her.
Now?
Yeah.
Seriously? Can you do both at once?
I can't because she wants to play on the PS4.
She wants to play on the PS4? Well, you're playing on the PC. So?
I can't do that because, remember...
Well, if she knows she's going to play on the PS4, then why don't you just, let her play on the PS4? You have your own PS4.
I have to auto-run every, 5 seconds.
What?
So, can I play tomorrow, please?
Tomorrow? Okay. Then I'll have no one to play with because Gil's not online.
Wait, you could talk to him, remember?
Gil is not online, and my mom didn't pay my dumb phone bills, so I can't call him.
Okay, bye.
My mom's gonna pay my phone bills tomorrow, so then that would be a bit more happier.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, yeah, he's gone. I have to talk to myself while I grind and bee swarm. 35 bees. It's actually pretty cool. Wait, speaking of 35 bees, let me check something. Rip pine tree forest booster. Don't worry, the timer's on, but I started it a bit early, so I get a few more seconds. Wind shrine, here I come. Okay, I tend not to take too long with the wind shrine. Just gonna hurry up. Dang it, okay. Bye.